today for the Bitcoin and altcoin prices. And yes, guys, I found something gigantic in the Bitcoin and altcoin charts. I will be going into it right now. And honestly, guys, this might be something for the history books. Hear me out. This pattern where literally no one is talking about right now is going to break very, very soon. Watch this video until the very end, scroll down and smash up the like button to a new all-time high as you have never smashed up the like button before. I want to go straight into the content, but before I'm doing that, I wanted to ask you guys, do you want more of these short condensed videos on the sidelines? Once again, smash up the like button to a new all-time high and share this video among your friends. Recently, I was more and more covering altcoins on the sidelines towards the end of the video. Today, I want to focus primarily about Bitcoin. I will talk about altcoins as well, but if you want more altcoins, not only like this video, make sure you are leaving your favorite altcoins in the comment section down below. And of course, guys, share this video with your friends. Now let's go here straight into it, because what's happening right now is actually on the 1 hourly candle. So this is something I want to get out as fast as possible. Just quickly, I wanted to mention, maybe you saw that I bought a third CryptoPunk. So I have now 3 on the wall. This was my first one, this was my second one, and this was the third one. By far the best deal I made. It's still expensive, of course, like almost $500,000, but this one has like 4 trades, and I don't know, I really like it. Maybe I'm just crazy or stupid. Now let's talk about the Bitcoin price. What you can see here is actually you can't really see it, but I want to show you by pulling over my trackpad here. So if I'm going over to the hourly candles, you can see that something is going on here. Because why are we getting rejected? Why were we getting rejected? And you cannot really see it on the hourly. For this, let's go over quickly to the 4 hourly. And what you can see, there's actually a resistance line coming in, which was resistance here, 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 and here, and actually turned into support right there, right there, right there, and here eventually failed. So actually, it is not that surprising that we are getting the rejection here. But more importantly, what you can see here is that Bitcoin is being held down, and I want to show you exactly from what. So this here, what just looks like a bull flag, I don't really think it's a bull flag. Let me quickly delete this. Let me also delete the other one here. Is something else. What I believe this is a continuation of the previous resistance. Look at this, guys. Let me quickly pull that down here. And of course, guys, I will talk about my trade over on Phoenix. I have a 7.4 million US dollar trade here. I have my link trade with 740,000 US dollars in margin. Both of them are in a profit, 1.25 million and 45,000 US dollars. I'm also still having my Axie Infinity trade open at approximately 36,000 US dollars. You know the deal. I am posting these trades in absolute real time over on my Twitter. If you go to Twitter and you type in Crypto, 420,000 followers over there. I am posting these trades in the immediate short term. In the moment I'm opening them, obviously, like, I don't know, sometimes few seconds after I'm opening them, but I am posting it very, very shortly after. So make sure you follow me over there. You hit the bell on Twitter to make sure you are not going to miss out on these videos. So just full transparency, I am having this one open. So I am trading and Bitcoin and also altcoins here right now. If you want to trade Bitcoin and altcoins, this is the highest bonus since ages. Bybit just ramped it up to 5,100 US dollars, 7,400 US dollars in total. What you can do is you go to the pinned comment, you click these links, and after clicking these links, the Bybit link alone grants you $5,000 in profits. This is at a 30x leverage, more than a $200,000 trade for free. Click the link, put in your email address, your password, make your own accounts, takes like 10-12 seconds, and after your initial deposit, you get these bonuses completely for free. Now let's go over it, but please do it only as an experienced trader. But if you are, take advantage before it is too late, as it is a limited offer. So here you can see we have this continuation where we had resistance here, 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 and here. So as long as we are not breaking this, and I will tell you what happens once we break it, we are being held down. And here being actually getting some resistance from this line, of course, brings the question, what can be the worst case scenario? And all my last 3 worst case scenario, including the 29,000 US dollars, were true. Whenever I said recently, I have a worst case scenario, we never went below. Doesn't mean we are not gonna go below right now. Just want to remind you, so far my worst case scenarios were holding truth. And here my worst case scenario is still the 60,000. However, the more often we are testing it, the weaker the support becomes. So far this is holding, and so far this looks like what we can be trapped in here is a descending triangle, which in and of itself, of course, has a bearish bias. However, if we are breaking the downward sloping resistance here, I am looking out for, and the later we break it, the lower the price target, but of course also the more likely actually the success of this breakout will be if we are breaking within the next 2-3 days between 68 and 69,000 US dollars. The later we break, the lower the price target gets, as we are moving actually the measurement tool here more to the downside. The later we are breaking out, the closer we are coming to the apex, and the more we actually can expect a volatile, sufficient, and also successful breakout of this specific Bitcoin move here. So right now it is somehow indecision mode, and we have to wait for this one to break. We have to wait. Don't ever trade Bitcoin in a new trade unless we are not, let me quickly take out the brush, unless we are not breaking this resistance area. The moment we are breaking it, I turn severely bullish on Bitcoin, and I am looking out for these higher price targets. Actually, I'm looking out for 72 to 74,000 US dollars, which is, dear ladies and gentlemen, the price target from the cup and handle pattern, which is still valid. As long as we are not breaking this, don't go long on this. If you're already long, like me, of course, I'm keeping my long position open. Something I wanted to mention as well is that every single one of the last 2-3 weekly candles closed above the previous all-time high. So we are still in all-time high territory. Don't forget this, guys. We are still higher, if you exclude the last 2 weeks, then every single weekly candle close in the 11 years history for Bitcoin. This, ladies and gentlemen, is obviously something very, very bullish. This is what I wanted to talk about. Very quick update, very important update. Thank you so much for always making so much noise in the YouTube algorithm, in the comments, in the likes, in the shares. It's just completely amazing, and I truly appreciate that. If you want to support the channel even a little bit further, go down below, claim the bonuses here in our pinned comment. But the most important thing is that you are joining the Crypto family, so you are going to get updated every single time I'm uploading a video here. For that, just press this little subscription button down below, press the bell and press on all, and join us. You're welcome. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Crypto. As always, guys, as always, bye-bye.